Students. I am Dr. Mily Williams, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce with Business Analytics from Nirmala College for Women. I'll be handling a subject of corporate accounting where you learn about the corporate accounting, how the accounts of the companies are maintained. Let us see the topic forfeiture of shares. What do you mean by forfeiture of shares? When shares are allotted to an applicant, it becomes a contract between the shareholders and the company. Shareholder is bound to contribute to the capital and the premium if any of the company to the extent of the share he has agreed to take, as and when the director makes the call. If he fails to pay the call, then his shares may be forfeited by the director if authorized by the article of association of the company. Forfeiture of shares. Forfeiture can be only for non-payment of calls on shares and not for any other reason. When the director forfeits the shares, the person loses his membership in the company as well as the amount already paid by him towards the share capital and the premium. His name is removed from the register of the members. Director must observe strictly all the legal formalities required by the article of association before forfeiting the shares. Like you can see the journal entry how the forfeiting of the shares goes by the journal, where share capital account debtor, security premium account debtor, 2 calls in arrears to share forfeiters account. Here we'll see the problem. The sum is telling X, a shareholder holding 100 shares of 10 each, has paid application money of rupees 2 per share and allotment money of rupees 3 per share, but has failed to pay the first call of rupees 2 per share and second call of rupees 3 per share. His share were forfeited. Make the journal entry to record the forfeiture of share. So what it is telling, the ex shareholder is holding how many shares? 100 shares of face value of rupees 10. He has paid application money of rupees 2 and the allotment money rupees 3 per share, but he has failed to pay the first call money of rupees 2 per share and second call of rupees 3 per share. His shares were forfeited. That is, first call money and the second call money has been forfeited. You are supposed to make what? Journal entry for the record of forfeiture of shares. So what is the journal entry? Share capital account data, to share forfeited account data, to share first call, to share second and first call. How many shares are holding by the shareholders? 100, and his face value is 10. So share capital will be 100 into 10, which will be of 1000. How many shares are going to be forfeited? That is, call money has to be going to be forfeited. That is, first call money is rupees 2 and the second call money is rupees 3. So how much totally? 5. So 100 into 5 will be 500. So now to share first call, how much is your first call money? 100 into 2, 200, and the second call money is rupees 3. So 100 into 3 will be 300. Now you can see the other illustration. Alpha Limited is issuing 10,000 shares of 100 each, payable payable of rupees 25 on application, 25 on allotment, 25 on first call, and 30 on second and final call. 9,000 shares were applied and allotted. All the money received with the exemption of allotment money, first call, second and final call money on 300 shares allotted to Ganesh. The board of directors decided to forfeit these shares. You are supposed to make what journal entry for these forfeiture shares. So what is the journal entry? Share capital account data, 2 share forfeited, 2 share allotment first call and share second call. How many shares is going to be forfeited? 300 shares. So what is the face value of the share? 100. So 300 into 100 will be 30,000. Then 2 share forfeited account is 300 into 25, 7,500. How much is the share allotment money? 25. How many shares is going to be forfeited? 300. So 300 into 25 is 7,500. 2 share first call is 300 into 26,000. Then 2 share second call is 300 into 30, 9,000. Yes, that's all. I hope you can understand with the sum. Dear students, I hope that you are able to follow up with the forfeiture of shares. Thank you.